Winter really did a number on this lawn. The leather jackets have been feasting, and all that rain, well, let's just say it needs some serious TLC. Step 1, get the grass cut. Today we're scalping it down. Scalping the lawn like this might seem a little harsh, but it helps remove dead growth and allows more sunlight to reach the soil, encouraging new growth. This is what we're left with. Boy, does this lawn look bad. Next up, aeration. Those holes allow water, air and nutrients to penetrate deeper down into the soil, reaching the roots where they're needed the most. And the regulars to my channel will know strong roots mean a strong lawn. We filmed this video last April. Chances are you're going to be watching it before April. We've done this year to give you guys a help for whenever your lawn comes out of winter. You'll know exactly what you have to do to get your lawn back into order if your lawn looks like this. If you want to help me in return, if you could smash that subscribe button down below and help me get to 100k subscribers, I'd really appreciate it. The next step in this process is scarification, but before we talk about that, we're going to talk about what leather jackets are for any beginners that are watching this video. This lawn has a leather jacket problem, and over winter, the leather jackets, these are tiny grubs that live beneath your lawn. They munch on the roots of your grass, making it weak and unhealthy. This causes your lawn to turn yellow and die in patches like you can see here. So it's the perfect time to sort the lawn out. For our second pass, we're adjusting the height, set the machine deeper. If you're using a domestic scarifier, always read the manual beforehand to make sure that it's suitable to do this, otherwise you risk burning it out. We're doing this as it helps us create a seed bed. Scarification is better known for rigging all the dead stuff, moss, thatch, you name it, out of your lawn. This lets your lawn breathe. I like to think of it as exfoliating the lawn. Cleanup complete. I'm going to give a quick shout out to one of my sponsors, Boston Seeds. We're using their grass seed, which is a dwarf rye and a fescue on this lawn today. Here is a close-up of the lawn. You can clearly see the lines left from the Scarifying. The seed goes into these lines and it gives it somewhere safe to grow. Overseeding your lawn with more than one type of grass seed has a lot of different benefits, such as by mixing different types, you create a lawn that is more resilient to various conditions, pests and diseases. If one struggles, the others can often compensate. One type of grass is like putting all your eggs into one basket. If something goes wrong, your whole lawn suffers. Let me know in the comments what you think the worst 100% type of grass seed is for your lawn and why. My favourite part, top dressing the lawn. This is always very satisfying. We use bag screen topsoil as it's weed free. Top dressing your lawn isn't 100% needed, however if you do it, the grass seed will take a lot better. Not all of this seed will grow, However, the seed that finds its way into the lines will 100% grow, and if you came back this long later date, you would see the grass growing in the lines. This soil is like a starter kit for your grass seed. It's super fine with extra nutrients, and it helps keep the seed moist for quick growth. Think of it as the perfect bed for your lawn to get a strong start. Let's get top dressing. This is my old trusty compost spreader. It's a fantastic job for getting the soil evenly down onto the lawn. For anyone that has ever top dressed a lawn by hand, you'll appreciate how easy this makes the job. Adding compost or soil adds nutrients and organic matter to your soil. This improves soil structure, drainage, and water retention. It also adds protection from the elements. Think of soil as a cozy blanket. It shields the seed from harsh sunlight that can dry them out, strong winds that can blow it away, or heavy rain that might also wash it away. Lawn all top dressed. Now for the important bit. Anytime you're top dressing your lawn, always go and have a cup of tea and let it dry. Now level out the soil with a drag mat. This tool does exactly what it's called. It drags the soil into the lawn. You could also use a lawn lute or a lawn leveler, however this would be a lot more work. The drag mat has two key jobs. It levels the soil and it creates good seed to soil contact. I'll leave a link down in the video description where you can make one of these yourself for under £50. We've got 3 jobs left, but I'm going to tell you about the last one because it's the most important and it's the thing that can really make your lawn project fail. Watering after overseeding and top dressing in spring is crucial to get those new seeds to germinate and thrive. Fertilizer done, seaweed and iron going down. Now we're going to talk about how to water your lawn so you don't get it wrong. You're going to need one of these and one of these. A good sprinkler is what you need if you've invested time and effort into renovating your lawn. For the first 2 to 3 weeks, water frequently for 2 to 3 light waterings per day, short bursts rather than soaking the soil. After 3 weeks, gradually reduce the frequency down to once a day, then every other day, and then eventually do your normal watering schedule as the new grass establishes.